Virus, I am super excited because I have something at the door that I'm getting ready to get. I have been trying to create and cultivate this amazing library that consists of a lot of things to help with your brain, your mind, the growth, emotional, physical, and mental growth, and also empower you to see the people that have walked a road and went through a treacherous or horrifying life to the point where they made it out and they became great and became iconic in a great way, not the social media way, but in a great way. So let's go grab what I'm excited about. It came earlier than I thought. Like, yes. So, and I'm gonna tell you a little bit about this. Here is I'm so excited. I'm gonna tell you a little bit about this. So my oldest daughter was named after this person, and I literally never got the book for myself. And I said I wanted the book because that was something I began to read. It was somebody else's, and I really started getting into it, and I really couldn't finish reading the whole book because it wasn't mine. And I was just like, oh, whatever, I'll get back to it. But what I did read was so eye-opening and so beautiful. And so, long story short, I said, you know what, I seen it as I was looking through trying to find books to put on my library book wish list. I seen it, I said, oh, the price was amazing, so I got it. Let's unbox it. Let me show it to you. All right, so yes, I had to flip it over because of my address. Oh, okay, let me get it out and just rip off the top. Okay, that didn't work. Let's rip it even deeper. Look it! Ah, I'm so excited. Like, look, Assata Shakur. But because of the spelling of that, I literally just didn't want my daughter to go through, I don't know, I was younger and I thought about things that really don't make a difference now. But I named her ASA and I doubled the T. TA. So it's ASATTA is my daughter's. So this is her autobiography, and I am getting into it. I'm thinking about reading it on here with you guys. What do you think about me reading books and we going through the books together? Like, we figuring out books. I'll talk about them, tell you about them, and give you time to get them, and then I'll read them, and y'all just kind of follow behind. If you want to go back, you can. That's something I really wanted to do because so many people keep telling me, like, I love your voice. Like, when I'm reading stuff, they love it, and it was like, you should read children's books, or you should read books or novels online. And I said, if I do, I want it to be something that's impactful, self-help, or something that's enlightening to my people, you know. So yeah, I got it. And this was literally, I want to say I paid like 13. I'll try to insert the price in here somewhere that I paid for this, and I'll put the link to the book below. It's not sponsored. I bought this with my own money, but this will be added to my library. And then, you know, as I do, I always write in the back why I purchased the book. So I'm excited about that. I'm so excited. So yeah, that's my new book. And this is the lady that I named my oldest daughter after. And I'm so excited to get into it and really go in depth and learn the things that she's been through, the things that she's pushed through, the things that she has persevered through with her resilience as a Black empress. So yeah, all right, I'll talk to you in my next video. Remember, stick to your script because you are the best at it. Don't let anything you can't control you, and you know what I mean. Shh, do the work because no one's gonna do it for you, I promise. And I will see you guys in my next video. Later, my revivers.